Yo, what is going on, guys? Helvetica here with a quick unboxing and review of the Fifine A8 microphone. This is the second version of Fifine's microphone. They made an A6. That one came with a boom stand and a little foam pop filter. I decided to go with this one and order a separate boom myself, so I'm going to be unboxing that. As you can see, I have the Amazon package right behind me, unopened. I'll leave the links in the description to the microphone and the boom arm. And I also ordered an adapter so I can connect this microphone to my iPhone in case I want to record audio with the microphone while filming on my iPhone. As you can see here, this is my go-to mic, little small lavalier microphone. It gets the job done. So I'm excited to unbox this microphone and see how the audio does. Without further ado, let's jump right into the unboxing. So here we have the unopened Amazon box. Let's go ahead and cut this open. Alright, so this box is loaded with goodies. Here's that adapter that I was talking about. That way I can plug in the microphone to my iPhone. The microphone stand that I ordered, it's a third party. It's not affiliated with the microphone manufacturer. It is a MU01 microphone stand by Inogear. So let's set that aside. And here's the star of the show, the Ampligame A8. Here she is. It's the RGB mic series. This is a USB microphone. It comes in a couple different colors. I ordered white. As you can see, it comes in white, black, pink, and blue. So let's go ahead and pop this bad boy open. So we got our user guide here. Really thick foam cover. There she is. Our pop filter. I'm really liking how this looks in white. The mic itself. It has a shock brace, and of course our boom adapter, which we're gonna need here shortly to put it on the boom stand. Very clean in that white color. I'm under the impression that having the microphone in a boom actually really helps with sound quality, because the ideal range for microphones like this is somewhere between 4 and 8 inches away from your face. Obviously, the closer, the crisper, and more clear the audio will be. So let's go ahead and go over some of the features of this microphone and take a closer look at it. Alright, so if you guys will notice, this has these cool rotating RGB lights going from color to color. The microphone has a mute button on the top. The light will turn red when it's muted or stay green when it's on, as opposed to the earlier model of this, the A6 Fifine microphone, whereas you would click the mute button and the whole RGB lights and everything would turn off. So it was a little indistinguishable to the mic itself being off or the mic just being muted. I like how the RGB lights stay on when you mute the microphone on this one. Just kind of a cool little feature. On the bottom you have your USB Type-C that connects to the device that you're recording on the other end of it. This is plugged into my iPhone. And a headphone port. That way you can listen to how the audio sounds in real time while you're using this microphone. So it's a great podcast mic, it's a great ASMR mic, and it's a great all-around video recording mic, from what I gather online. Obviously, this is kind of a first experience for both of us. That's why this video is called First Look. So let's take a quick close look at it and throw it in the boom. Alright guys, so here she is in all her glory on the Inogear mic boom. Looks pretty good. I just have it on the front of my desk clip there for now. I could move it to that back side just to kind of get it out of the way a little bit more. Comes with an adapter so that you can attach it to the boom stand. You simply take out that pin there by unthreading the handle side while holding the nut side, and those pieces come apart, and then you just thread on this adapter with the little white handle and thread it onto your boom stand. This one works in the same way as the other one. You just twist this and it allows you to rotate it up and down. I find that position to be pretty good. That way I can extend this out and it kind of stays the same. So a lot of movement range here, left, right, out. I believe this boom arm is around 30 something inches when fully extended, so like 13 this way, 13 that way. Stay tuned for some more videos on this microphone, the boom arm, a comparison between this microphone and the Blue Snowball Ice, and other related how-to and tech videos. I'm sure I'll have more videos on this microphone after I get to use it a little bit more and get more familiar with it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.